such an honor. I thought he'd be bigger. How many women have said that before? Hey! Hello, Starlets. I'm Sarah from Everyday Starlet. Welcome to my channel. We're bringing a little bit of glamour to everyday life. If you want to join my Starlet squad, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I'm getting ready for the Oscars. Well, to watch them, actually. I did my research on 10 different ways to win an Academy Award, not including spending some alone time with Harvey Weinstein. What? So I'm gonna do all 10 things in this video to give you an Academy Award worthy get ready with me. Let's do this, man. Tip number 1 is to play the piano. Since I don't have a piano and I have no musical ability myself, I am going to tickle my ivories with the Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean toothbrush. What's an Oscar red carpet without diamonds? And trust me, this may be expensive, but it's cheaper than real diamonds, people. Tip number 2, be old. I'm 38 years old. Don't tell my age when he thinks I'm 28. Oops. Technically, I'm already ancient in Hollywood, so I actually have to try to make myself look younger to be old. Go figure. I'm gonna give myself an anti-aging facial. It's gonna be gold themed because it's Oscar gold, people. I'm gonna start out with the Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat gold mask, and I'm also going to wear the Grace and Stella anti-wrinkle energizing eye mask because I wanna look like an Oscar. Twinsies. Then I'm going to follow it up with the Demarche Labs Relax and Lift, and this is in gold because I'm a little bit obsessed with the idea of doing an Oscar gold facial. This is my first time using the gold version. I've used the original version, and trust me, I have a whole review on it. It definitely lifts the entire face, so I'm excited to see how the gold version turns out. My skin actually glistens after that. Sparkle app time. Tip number 3, play a famous person. And since Emma Stone is already an Oscar winner, I'm going to imitate her Instagram photo from the year she won the Oscar and use her KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask for full plump kissable lips. Mwah. Tip number 4 is to be a monster. I'm a big Lady Gaga fan. That makes me a little monster. So I'm going to set my hair like Lady Gaga, except I don't drink soda. So I'm just going to use my curling iron and do the sugar-free version. Not as pretty as Gaga's, but we'll go with it. Next, I'm going to do my base makeup, which I won't go through because I have done my base makeup in a ton of videos. I will actually link my most recent base makeup video to this one. Next, I'm moving on to eye makeup, and to tip number 5, speak in a funny accent. These burgundy palette eyeshadow shades are wicked pissa, but shades like LA and New York, come on, go Sox. Yankees suck, Yankees suck. Yankees suck. Tip number 6, be physically or mentally disabled. I don't know about you, but I have a nervous breakdown every time I try to apply my liquid liner. Tip number 7, experience a tragic historic event. I lived through the Taylor Swift-Kanye West feud. Tough times. Hold up. I'm gonna let you finish, but Kim Kardashian had the greatest highlight of all time. Actually, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter, but Kylie and Kim are half-sisters, so I think it counts. Tip number 8, play gay or transgendered. What do we think? I feel like I should be like a villain in a cartoon. Yeah, no. I'm just gonna stick to putting my highlight on my upper lip. Tip number 9, dye. I didn't have time to spray tan, so I look like a ghost. And to emphasize that, I'm gonna throw on the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Vampira. And tip number 10 is to get fat or go ugly. Well, I spent way too much time on my makeup to go ugly, and as far as getting fat, I could always just skip the Spanx. So seeing as though a size 4 in Hollywood is considered fat, I think I still need the Spanx in order to get there. So we're keeping these babies. I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille. And here is my finished look, ready for the Oscars. This is my outfit. This is actually what I'm wearing to watch the Oscars. Okay, that's not true. Actually, this is what I'm wearing to watch the Oscars red carpet. But you know what? I still have my heels because why not, right? This is what I love to wear watching the red carpet and judging all the fashion because it's still stylish and comfortable, but it's not the same without Joan. R.I.P. Joan Ranger for life. I want to know who your red carpet favorite is and who you're excited to see at the Oscars this year, so let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section below. If you think this look is Oscar worthy, then give me a big thumbs up. You like me. You really like me. A while back, I was suffering from anxiety and depression, and I truly believe that beauty and makeup and glamour saved my life. And I believe it can save yours too. So if you want to join my Starlet squad, be sure you hit that subscribe button. You can follow me on all my social media channels. The links will all be in the description box below, along with links to all the products in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you join me next time.